Hey kids, you want to see Muffalo Potato imitate a frog? Watch this.
Yeah.
Impressive, huh? That's right, guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a frog, and we're going to use nothing but numbers and letters. All I need is 3 minutes of your time. You need a pen, a piece of paper, kind of like that, and you need to watch me, okay? So start with your paper this way. And the first thing we're going to draw is the number 27. We're going to draw 2 just like that, and then we're going to draw 7 taller, just like that. Watch me. And there's your frog. Take care, kids. We'll see you soon. Nah, that's not a frog. I'm just messing with you. The next thing you're going to draw is the letter L. Small and a little bit at an angle. He's kind of tipping over there a little bit. Right here, right at the bottom of the tube. Bring it down and bring it back to just about there. There's your L. Now we're going to draw a capital C, a big one, just like this. I want you to start your C right where I put my pen. I want you to go all the way out and around and make it touch the middle of the L. Nice enough, huh? Now we're going to draw a W, just like this. And we're going to connect this part of the 7 to this part of the L. And now we're going to draw a V, just like this, only we're going to tilt it sideways. Start here, touch there, go back out again. Now you see there's 2 spaces. There's 1 space here, and there's 1 space here. You're going to draw a C, just like that, in each space. 1 C there, 1 C there. Now we're going to draw the number 8, just like this, 2 perfect circles, only we're going to put it on its side. Those are the eyes, right here. There's 1 circle, there's another circle. 2 dots, just like that, inside the 8. And maybe just a couple circles on that part of the C, like that. And voila, guys, you've got a frog. Now, if you want, you can draw, I don't know, like a fly in the corner. I can't believe that just happened. That was pretty cool. Do that, Muffalo. That was kind of gross. Okay, listen, guys. Rewind it, watch it as many times as you need to. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be fun. And I'll be back with more fun stuff to draw on Muffalo Potato. Take care, guys.